Hello crystal lovers and spiritual seekers. Welcome to another video from the Divine Path 333 channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of chrysolite, a precious stone with a rich history and incredible mystical properties. Chrysolite, also known as peridot or olivine, is a truly special mineral. Its history dates back to prehistoric times, with records of use dating back to 4,000 centuries before Christ. Just imagine, this bright green stone has been valued by humanity for millennia. But what makes chrysolite so special? Well, in addition to its stunning beauty, this gem possesses a variety of healing and mystical properties that make it a treasure for crystal healing practitioners and spiritual enthusiasts. Let's start by talking about its healing properties. Chrysolite has traditionally been used to treat a wide range of physical conditions. It is believed to be particularly effective in treating disorders of the veins and arteries, helping to improve blood circulation and strengthening blood vessels. Additionally, chrysolite is known for its benefits for the respiratory system. It has been used to alleviate lung problems including emphysema and irritations. If you suffer from a persistent cough, chrysolite can be a valuable ally on your healing journey. But the benefits of chrysolite don't stop there. This wonderful stone is also known to help with tissue regeneration and combat chronic fatigue. If you constantly feel exhausted and drained, chrysolite could be just what you need to regain your vital energy. Now, let's explore the mystical and spiritual side of chrysolite. This stone is a powerful amplifier of spiritual energy. She is known for promoting honesty and sincerity, both in actions and thoughts. If you are seeking to live a more authentic life aligned with your true self, chrysolite can be a valuable guide on this journey. One of the most fascinating properties of chrysolite is its ability to act as an oracular tool. The visual patterns within the stone can provide a link to ancient knowledge and even facilitate access to animal power. This makes chrysolite an incredible tool for those who practice shamanism or are interested in exploring their connections with the animal kingdom. Chrysolite is also known for its telepathic abilities. It can be used to send and receive messages, making it a valuable tool for those who are working to develop their psychic abilities. Additionally, chrysolite can create an energetic connection between two beings, making it ideal for distant healing work or strengthening spiritual connections. One of chrysolite's most powerful properties is its ability to clear energetic blockages and increase the vibration of the aura. If you feel like you are stuck on your spiritual journey or that there are obstacles hindering your growth, chrysolite could be the key to unlocking your full potential. Chrysolite is also known for helping people free themselves from the need to control others, while also creating a sense of control in their own lives. This is a valuable lesson for many of us on our spiritual journey, learning to let go of what we cannot control and focusing our energy on our own growth and development. In the realm of magic and mysticism, chrysolite has a powerful reputation. It has been used for centuries to change fate, solve difficult life tasks and even solve mysterious crimes. In the Middle Ages, it was popular among merchants, as it was believed that it helped to competently manage money and prevent theft. Chrysolite is also known for its protective properties. It is believed that it protects against the influence of dark forces and helps to eliminate energetic enemies. If you feel you need extra spiritual protection, chrysolite can be a powerful ally. For those struggling with anxiety, fears or phobias, chrysolite can offer relief. He is known to give his owner optimism, helping to get rid of nervous and mental disorders. If you place chrysolite under your pillow, it is believed to protect against disturbing dreams and promote peaceful, restful sleep. Chrysolite is also an excellent stone for love and relationships. It can help attract a worthy partner and promote honest and sincere relationships. Whether you are looking for love or looking to strengthen an existing relationship, chrysolite can be a powerful tool. For those on a journey of personal and spiritual growth, chrysolite is an invaluable companion. It promotes the development of foresight and insight, helping you see the colors of new life and enjoy the delights of existence without fear. Now, if you're excited about all these amazing properties of chrysolite and are eager to add this powerful stone to your collection, I have great news for you. We are offering a special discount coupon to all our viewers. Just check the comments on this video to find the coupon code and use it in our online crystal store. Remember, each chrysolite is unique, with its own energy and beauty. When choosing a chrysolite, trust your intuition and choose the stone that resonates most with you. Before we wrap up, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the Divine Path 333 channel for more amazing content about crystals, spirituality, and personal growth. Activate the bell to receive notifications about our new videos and don't miss any of our tips and spiritual insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. May the power of chrysolite light your path and raise your vibration. Namaste.